New to Instagram and feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, you'll understand everything like a pro. Let me walk you through Instagram step by step in the simplest way possible. Hi, I'm Preyo Phonie, and today I'll show you how to use Instagram from beginner to confident user. Step 1. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download Instagram. Install the app and create a new account using your email or phone number. Make sure you meet the minimum age requirement for your country. Set up your username and password carefully to secure your account. Step 2. Launch the app and you'll land on your home feed. Scroll up and down to explore posts from people you follow. You'll also see trending reels and suggested content. This is where you spend most of your time discovering new content. Step 3. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Here you can edit your bio, profile picture, and personal details. You can also see how many followers and following you have. Your profile represents your identity on Instagram. Step 4. Discover people to follow. Visit the Discover People section for suggestions. Instagram recommends accounts you may know or like. Tap Follow to send follow requests instantly. Growing your network starts by connecting with others. If this beginner guide is helping you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful Instagram tips. Step 5. Tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top of your profile. This opens the main settings and privacy menu. From here, you can change your password, security, and personal details. You can also manage account privacy and activity settings. Step 6. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see main navigation icons. Tap the Reels icon to explore short-form trending videos. This section shows viral and entertaining content worldwide. Reels are one of the fastest ways to grow on Instagram. Step 7. Tap the messenger icon to open your inbox. Here you can send direct messages to your friends. Instagram also allows audio calls and video calls. It's a complete communication tool built into the app. Step 8. Tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on the search bar at the top. Type a name, username, or topic to find people quickly. This helps you discover friends, creators, and trending topics. Step 9. Tap the heart icon to open your notifications. Here you can see likes, comments, and new followers. Instagram also shows activity related to your posts. Checking notifications keeps you updated and engaged. Step 10. Tap the plus icon to create new content. You can upload a photo, video, reel, or story. Add captions, hashtags, music, and effects. Posting consistently helps grow your account faster. Step 11. At the top of your home feed, you'll see story bubbles. Tap any story to view your friends' daily updates. Stories disappear after 24 hours automatically. You can also post your own story from this section. And that's the complete beginner's guide to using Instagram. Now you understand the core features and how everything works together. Keep exploring, stay creative, and build your presence confidently. For more Instagram tutorials and problem-solving videos, keep following Preyo Phonie, where we make social media simple and powerful.